Countering climate disasters, energy independence. Every country, every city, and every company has had a strategy to deal with these issues for years. Still, progress has been slow. The reason is simple: cost. The world economy is built on cheap sources of power. But there's something in the wind. One of the companies innovating their way to cost parity is Vestas. Vestas, with more than 29,000 dedicated employees, has literally taken an electric and mechanical wind turbine and turned it into a highly tailorable, software-controlled, connected powerhouse of clean and affordable energy.
First of all, let's say the motivation is high. When you work for a company which is going to deliver green energy solutions, linked to improving the climate, and you know you're doing something good, which we always had, but over the last year you can see how important it is.
Tell us a little bit about that journey. You know, where you started in terms of digital transformation, digital thread, where you are today.
We had already a strong connection to PTC.